Hi. Any amount. I have had a day. I've had a couple of days. If you guys have been following along on my channel, you know that I haven't uploaded again in a little while, and like the last video that I put out was very vague on what's going on and everything. Still going through everything. My last video I talked about my car. Yeah, it wasn't a little problem. My car is dead. I no longer have a car. So there's that. I've been trying to figure that problem out. But also my court date got moved. I was supposed to have court this week and it got moved. So there's that. But I feel myself quickly slinking away into the darkness again. So I'm trying really hard not to let my hobbies slide away too far. I've been trying to keep myself preoccupied. Like I've been just cleaning the house a lot. There's some like updates and stuff. Got a new door. Oh my gosh, wait till you guys see that bathroom. So, you know, I've been doing a lot of work kind of off camera and stuff, but I've been trying to go back and edit my vlogs and like upload for you guys. And I think I mentioned even in my last video, like I was all the way back in February. So I'm like, do I even upload this stuff anymore? So I am editing my videos. I want to come on here in the beginning of this vlog to kind of remind you guys that, you know, this isn't exactly current. Today is current, but the rest of the vlog happened a little while ago. But yeah, no, I'm good. Little man is battling an ear infection today. Hi, buddy. He's got an ear infection, so he's on amoxicillin. So I've been home all day with him, hence why I look like this. Tomorrow, though, we'll be going back to school because he got a COVID and a flu test. All negative. Children are running. Oh my God, why are there kids in my yard? Sorry. Yeah, so I've been home all day with him. So a lot is going on tomorrow. Like I have a realtor coming to look at my house. I'm not selling my house or anything, but I need someone to come look at some stuff tomorrow morning. And then I'm like picking up a bed for Ella tomorrow, I think. And then I'm meeting with a babysitter on Friday, I believe, so that like once a month I could maybe go out on a Friday or Saturday night. So I'm gonna be meeting with this girl to potentially watch my kids. So I don't know. I don't know. There's not a whole lot to update, but I figured I'd jump on here real quick before the beginning of this vlog. Let you guys know kind of what's going on currently. But we're good. I see a baby belly. Alright, I'll talk to you guys soon. And enjoy the rest of the vlog while I make their dinner. Mwah. Alright, kiddo.
Have a good day. You guys can.
I know that was very random, but one of Ella's neighbor, well, our neighbor, one of the little girls she goes to school with, won like a trip to school on a fire truck, and she asked Ella because she could bring a friend, and she asked Ella to be that friend, which I thought was so sweet. But yeah, the girls got to go on a fire truck to school this morning, so everything is good. Okay, so today I'm freaking winded from those stairs, so I'm trying to pretend I'm not out of breath, but I totally am. Today we're gonna go get some Valentine's Day stuff. Oh my God. Wow. Tell me you're out of shape without telling me you're out of shape, right? I'm not gonna really have an opportunity over the next couple of weeks. Plus, I feel like if you buy Valentine's Day stuff, like you wait too long, things are like totally out of stock. So I have a little bit of time, but I need to focus on getting my car fixed this week. So the free time that I do have, I need to spend doing that. So they just went off, but super quick update because I keep forgetting to update you guys. there was a couple vlogs back where it was called like exposing my stalker or something like that, right? Talked about this guy who kept hitting me up like even after a year later. Very, very creepy situation. Anyway, I told you I would update you if anything happened, and me and this girl, I'll keep her anonymous, but if she's watching this video, she definitely knows I'm talking about her. Oh my god, I hate to crack up, but like we were like investigators, I'm telling you. We're doing like reverse phone lookups on his phone number and stuff to see like if this is like who he says he is, and then if he is the guy that I think it is, like what's his real name, because he kept going by all these different aliases and confusing me and all. Anyway, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, go back and watch that vlog. But her and I like found his real name, and then we like went to Instagram and Facebook and searched his real name, and on Facebook I found this. Oh my god, he had like 6 or 7 fake profiles, and like under one name, and then he had another fake profile under another name, and then he had another fake profile under another name, and there's actually like one more name that I'm just thinking of now that I could also search up that he's used before. So I went through and I blocked everything I could absolutely find, but it's insanity. Oh my god. Anyway, I just wanted to make sure that I updated you guys about that, because I totally kept forgetting. I gotta get to work. I'm rocking my natural hair right now because I throw it up in a hat, so I am not dealing with it today. Yeah, I gotta get to work, but we are gonna go to a dollar store before we go. So a few days ago, possibly, I've lost track of time. I've been working on this Lego set for Ella. I do have a little space heater on, so you're probably gonna hear it in the background, but I've been working on this thing literally since Christmas, and I need to finish it. I have like 2 bags left. I have bag number 6 and bag number 7. Let's get this project out of the way, because like I said, it's been a project for quite a while now. I'm gonna get a computer set up. We do have some Valentine's Day cookies to do, but we're gonna save that till closer, till V-Day. But for now, let's just clear off some space. I'm gonna get my computer out so I have something to watch. I have some food too, but we're gonna get this done, hopefully today. I gotta go wake up my son, but I did get a lot of progress done. I think I literally just have to make the dragon. So I think I'm just gonna finish it tonight so that this can be put away. But we have to take a quick intermission. I gotta run out. Tomorrow, I don't think I'll end up filming it, but we do have my niece's, well, she's like technically a second cousin, but like a niece because of the age difference. I have to go get my niece a birthday present because we have a like 2-hour party with her tomorrow. And I gotta go get some pellets because I'm on my last bag. So I'm gonna go wake up little man, get some chores done, and then we will finish this, finally. What is this cat doing? I'm exhausted and I look like this. And I promised Ella that I would finish. What is on my, oh, it's self-tanner. That scared me. I promised Ella that I would finish this damn thing. She wanted to play with it earlier. Oh, don't tell me. Okay, I'm like on the last step, I think, and I'm making a little dragon. Oh, he's so cute. I actually really love it. I love dragons. I really, really love dragons. I don't know, I've always really loved dragons. Anyways, we have everything except for like a wing. So I'm trying to finish up the wing here. I wasn't even gonna continue like the time lapse or anything because I've been up since 4:30 this morning. Well, actually a little earlier than 4:30 this morning because for some reason Hunter woke up and was like on and off from 4:30 until like 6:30. But my alarm was going off at 5 anyway, so I ended up just staying up. Where is this piece? I can't find this piece, and it's an important piece because it's like the ball joint of the wing, so the wing can't stick without a joint, now can it? Oh, now the cat. It's kind of like this, but not. Like, it's straight, and oh my God. I couldn't have lost it because I just opened, like, it came out of new bags. Also, this piece fell off at one point, and I didn't know where it went back, so I figured maybe I can look back in the book a little bit when I was done. Am I stupid? No? Okay. A little bit, but like, look at how cute this set is. Oh my God, it's got a nice armor. I love it. I'm sorry, the lighting is so horrendous, but I left my ring light upstairs because I was curling my hair and oh God, I'm breaking the damn. Oh, I can't. Oh, I found it. I was gonna stop this and bring you guys back when I finally found it. And I found it. Okay, last couple of steps. We are on step like 300, but it says like 30 something because it started over. Like there's step 262. So like this is like a 300 step puzzle. It's a big one. Last couple of pieces. I feel like this set came with a ton of extra pieces, but I'm gonna have to do like a walkthrough or something of it probably in the morning when I can get my lighting down here because this is a cool set. Anyway, I need to find this. I need this. My cat is meowing at me and I don't know why. Like, it's not time to eat, bud. I brought him in. I opened the door to make sure he would come in tonight because it's so cold. It's cold again. Like we had a negative. It was -1 last week at some point, and then like stayed really low, like an 8, and then it went up to like 45, and everybody had the window open, and then it's back down to 8 today. So I have this little wing with a spike, and then it's gotta get attached to this again. Hey, y'all, stop scratching my couch or I'll make you a hat. Oh my God, I did commit. You know what I did commit to was building this Lego set. You damn right I did. Oh, that was the last step. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here is the full set. Let's bring you guys. Oh my gosh, excuse me. This is the full set on paper. Here it is in person. So it like, there's my spaghetti and meatballs. So it folds out. Like I said, I'll show you guys. Hopefully I'll remember in the morning. But it's so cool. This is not a great place to show you guys. Oh yeah. We're definitely gonna have to do like close-ups tomorrow or something. But oh my gosh, it's so cute. I can't even. Oh, it's awesome. Oh, I'm kind of. Oh, I keep breaking it. Oh, I keep breaking it. One thing I gotta show you real quick because I'm so afraid I'm gonna forget to show you guys this set just in case. Here's what it looks like on the inside. It has like a little courtyard. Oh my God, it's so cute. All right, so this little drawbridge, I showed Ella the other day and I think I was way more excited than she was. But it freaking, oh, are you serious? And then on the inside, oh God, on the inside, I'm not gonna be able to show you, but there's almost like this little lever. Yeah, it is. There's no way I can show you, but I'm just flipping it up, right? And it like locks the door. Okay, so right now, like I can lower it, I can raise it, right? But if I wanted to raise it and keep it raised, again, there's like this little tiny lever. Just push it down, and then I can't, oh, it's the little things. It's the little things that make me super happy in life. So again, I Move the lever. Oh, did I move the lever? Thought I did. Down or up? I think it's gotta come back up. I think you push it up. Yeah, push it up to unlock, down to lock. I'm obsessed. Are you serious? It came with a ton of extra pieces. Like I said, I don't even know what the heck. Oh, yeah. Okay, so no, like some of these, this was a little well. We have my cat. A little snowman. I don't even know if this came from this set, to be honest. Excuse you. See what else. I know it also came with, obviously the dragon. And we'll put him up here. No! I'm gonna put him. Sure, that works for now. But it has like a little table. This was all stuff that Ella put together. So I don't know if it like had instructions to actually come with this set. It looks like it would be something, but it came with a lot of little people too, which I thought was really cool because usually the Lego sets maybe come with like 1 or 2 people. But I'll just briefly show you. I think there's 4 or 5 of them. I don't see a 5th one anywhere, so I think we just have the 4. But yeah, I'm obsessed.